like the Lincoln StarTran bus transport. Most of the people who are going to school, going to office and everything avail this bus, and those who don't have a car over here. You can see pretty number of people is now going. It's almost evening at the Friday, so people should be less, but still there is people. I'm going to basically to Bethany, and it's basically a free transport for UNL students, those who have a bus pass and a NUID card. It's basically totally free. You have to only show it and scan your ID card. It's pretty nice, but the place is basically it's a rural campus, and it's all not still in the campus. It's now out of the campus, and it's out of the downtown also. It's now moving towards the rural side of the Lincoln, pretty rough area, and the bus is now going at more or less a steady speed. More or less, when it will touch the highway, it will gather more speed. But it's nice that there is no jerking, nothing else. It's more or less very kind of peaceful journey. And now the sun is being set up. Now see how the person is entering, means it's just scanning the card. Basically, if you have a bus pass, then it's okay. The bus pass basically have that amount of money for the daily number of tickets you will avail in the bus for the particular month. So that person has that amount of money in his ticket which he can avail for that particular month and every day and every time. So that amount will be deducted as we scan it in the machine. So that's kind of nice, but for NUID it won't be required. You only scan it and show your bus pass, and that will be done. So that's a great pleasure for UNL students and UNL staffs. They don't require to have any kind of fees given to the bus drivers for that. Now see, I think we are approaching near the East Campus. It's basically the rural campus of the UNL. Basically the main highway is crossing through the rural campus. You see there are pretty number of professors' quarters. This is the UNL rural campus. You see a couple of trees, and this is the main highway of the rural campus of the UNL. The highway again goes straight down the other side of the campus, and you see here we are near the East Campus. Yeah, there's the Quill Center. You can see straight the glass house. That's the Quill Center. There is the main conference center of the University of Nebraska East Campus. That side a lot of conference takes place. Now the bus will be heading towards the right. You can see pretty number of cars are moving past by, since it's the main road of the campus. Just in front there is a Hardin Hall. You can see from the other side of the window of the bus. Now see, it's turning back. It's turning, and there you go. Pretty number of cars are taking place, and this bus is also quite helpful for old people who are aged persons, because those who require some safety, those who are handicapped, for them also the bus have some service to keep them safe by allowing the total handicapped person with the car to enter into the bus, and that is quite helpful.